Hey guys, welcome back to Interview Ready with Keith. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of resumes, specifically tackling the challenge of resume preparation for freshers. Landing your first job can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops, but trust me, with the right strategy, your resume can be your trusty pickaxe. So, grab your laptops, notebooks, and a big dose of motivation, because we're about to craft a resume that screams, "Hire me." The Fresher's Dilemma. Let's face it, freshers don't exactly have a treasure trove of work experience. But fear not, my young Padawans. Your academic journey, skills, and even passions hold immense value. We just need to polish them up and present them in a way that shines brighter than a recruiter's highlighter. Crafting your masterpiece. 1. Choose your format. Chronological, perfect for showcasing academic achievements and progressive learning. Functional, ideal for highlighting transferable skills and relevant projects, even if they're not traditional work experiences. 2. Nail the first impression. Headline, ditch the boring, seeking an opportunity. Think keywords, achievements, or even a personal tagline that grabs attention. Contact info, make it easy for them to reach you. No disappearing acts, please. 3. Academic prowess. Don't just list degrees. Quantify your achievements. Highlight relevant coursework, projects, GPA, research papers, or awards. Remember, grades aren't everything, but showcasing intellectual curiosity goes a long way. 4. Beyond the classroom. Internships, even the shortest stint, can showcase hands-on skills and initiative. Quantify your impact, highlight key learnings, and don't shy away from challenges you faced. Volunteering, show your passion and social responsibility. Mention projects, leadership roles, and the skills you honed. Remember, giving back can give your resume a boost. 5. Skill symphony. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are music to any recruiter's ears. Use action verbs and specific examples to demonstrate your mastery. Hard skills? Don't just list them, showcase them. Mention relevant software, programming languages, or technical expertise. Don't be afraid to get specific. Bonus tips. Keywords are your friends. Analyze job descriptions and sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your resume. Think SEO for resumes. Keep it concise and clear. One page is your golden rule. Recruiters have short attention spans. Make every word count. Proofread like a hawk. Typos and grammatical errors are resume kryptonite. Double check, triple check, then have someone else check.